Hello everyone, welcome back to Ariana Professional Academy. I hope you are all doing well. Thank you very much for showing your interest in our programs and watching our lessons from different countries around the world. Your support has always given us the energy to expand our programs even further. That's why I decided to take a moment to share some exciting news with all of you. As you know, we have been explaining all the concepts in Pashto so far, but now we're planning to start a new series of videos where we will be explaining various English grammar concepts, tips, tricks, and daily vocabulary, all in English. Why are we making this change? Well, we want to help you improve not just your understanding of English language, but the ability to listen, speak, and think in English. This will give you more practice and help you become more comfortable with the language. In this new series of videos, you will find short lessons on important grammar topics, common mistakes learners make, and useful tips to sound more natural in English. We will also focus on daily vocabulary, which will help you improve your words for everyday situations. But don't worry, we will try to explain everything in a simple and easy way. But if you are ever unsure about anything, you will keep in touch with us by leaving your comments and we will be happy to help you. We are really excited to start this new journey with you. Stay tuned for the upcoming lessons and make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Many thanks again for your support and let's improve our English together.